research objectives. Before going to brief discussion about the research objective, it is essential to know what is the research objective. The objective should be specific and reflect the question that we are asking. Different research questions and objectives will require different methodologies. Purpose statements are realized through a set of research objectives or questions. Clearly formulated objectives will help focus your research, structure your literature review, and guide your research design or methodology. Research objectives serve to narrow purpose statement and are linked directly to the research findings. Research objectives are specific things you will achieve in your research in order to accomplish your overall purpose. Now, there are three different aspects regarding research objectives, that is research questions and research objectives. Now, what is research? Research is an organized, scientific and meaningful investigation of a specific problem or issue. There must be some specific problem or issue. Next, what is research question? Research question is how to solve specific problem, how to address the specific issue, how to attempt towards the getting a solution of the specific problem or a specific issue. Now, what is research objective? Research objectives is investigation and analysis of problem to solve the problem. Now, the background of formation of research objectives. There are several backgrounds like brief literature survey, find out the research gap, formation of research question. Objective should be closely related to the statement of the problem. Now, the characteristics of the research objectives. Research objectives is associated to find out answer of research question or testing of research hypothesis. Research objectives tells about what a research is trying to achieve. Research objectives clarify about the purpose of research. Aim of the research can be determined by the research objectives. A research objectives indicate population interest, population of interest, and the nature of variable that may be dependent and independent. Research objective is associated with a statement of purpose. Research objective has set up to find out the answer of research questions. Exact meaning of research can be provided by the objective of the research. Research objective is able to provide the content of the research. Without specific objective, research has no meaning. Formation of hypothesis is also related to research objectives. Structure and component of research design is deeply attached with the research objectives. Methodologies can be set up according to objectives. Collection of data is related to research objectives. Method of data collection as well as sampling depends on the research objectives. Type of data has been used to study depends on the specific objectives. Formation of research framework is also associated with the research objectives. Time frame and duration of research depends on the objectives. Validation of reliability of research depends on the objectives. Research objective is the main focal point of research. Research objective is a clear view of the research. Research objectives provide direction of the scientific investigation. It has been derived from the purpose of the study. Identification, measurement, and description of variables depends on the focal objectives of research. Relationship and dissimilarities between the variables can be identified with the direction of the objectives. Now, the purpose of research objectives. What are the main purpose behind the research objectives? That is, focus on the study, avoid unnecessary data collection, understanding, identify and solve the problem, plan of research. Research objectives can reduce time duration of research. It can specify about the required data type, method of data collection and sampling. It can set detailed methodology, interpretation and analysis of data with scientific manner. What are the types of research objectives? There are generally 4 types research objectives present. One is general objectives, second one is specific objective, third one is immediate objective, and last one is the ultimate objectives. Now the prime concern of research objectives. There are two words that explain the research objectives, the relevance of research objectives, the importance of the research objective. One is SMART. What is SMART? Why research objective is SMART? Because S for specific, because it's SMART, the word what is associated with this original meaning of the research objective. Like S for specific, M for measurable, A for attainable, R for realistic, and T for time bound. I can prepare a word that can explain the prime concern of research objectives, that is reflume. R for relevant, S for feasible, F for feasible, L for logical, O for observable, U for unique, and M for measurable. Now the method of objective setup. What are the method to set up a research objectives? Objective should be set up in details. Objective should be set up chronologically. Objective should be set up according to a need and problem. Objective should be set up properly defined. Objective should be based on realistic condition, that may be observation, it should not be assumption. Specific use of action verb should be needed for formation or setup of research objectives. What are the action verb is required for the formation of research objectives? Those are to assess, to identify, to find out, to determine, to compare, to find, to verify, to calculate, to describe, to analyze, to establish, to investigate, to examine, to explore, to test, to differentiate, to compare, to inquiry. Those are the action verb that is very associated with the formation of the research objective. There are some references for further study. You can go through these references.